Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Premiere Pro for free, and this is actually possible with their 7-day free trial where you can just try Premiere Pro. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can do the exact same thing what I'm going to do now. So here you click on start free trial. Oh, and I have to mention that you have to do a little task. You have to do something if you're really serious about getting this free trial in the link description, and then you will be able to get this free trial. So just complete the task and then you will be here, and then you can click on start free trial. And as you can see here, you can either take the only Adobe Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro, or you can even have a free trial on the whole Creative Cloud apps, on all of them. And yeah, this would be actually $60 US per month, and only Adobe Premiere Pro 23. So I really recommend you to try this 7-day free trial of one of those two. If you only need Adobe Premiere Pro, then this, and if you need all apps, then I would recommend you to use this. And then you can simply click on continue, just fill all the information, and then you have you can download Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So as I said, I'm going to link something in the description where you can click on, just do a little task, and then you will be able to get the 7-day free trial. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.